Hello my all dear students, welcome all of you. Today we will discuss on a new topic, dear students, estimation and rounding off. So first we look its some important rules in right side. So first rule is here, if the digit is 5 or greater we call it round up, if the digit is less than 5 round down, and this symbol we use in approximation symbol. And this two more rule is very important here. 5 or more than 5 if the value of given nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000. So you just when you solve the questions, you just look and focused on just before number. So we solve these questions and apply these rules. So firstly we apply the all rules here. The rules is, firstly, nearest tens means you focused on its unit place digits. अगर नियरेस्ट 10 की बात करनी है और नियरेस्ट 10 का राउंड ऑफ निकालना है डियर स्टूडेंट, तो नियरेस्ट 10 का मीन्स आपको इसके यूनिट डिजिट के नंबर पे फोकस करना है. तो यूनिट डिजिट का नंबर यहाँ पर 7 है, यहाँ पे 4 है और यहाँ पे 5 है. जस्ट बिफोर वाला नंबर हम देखते हैं. तो ये 5 और मोर देन अगर 5 मिले या फिर 5 मिले या मोर देन 5 मिले तो 1 ऐड कर देते हैं जस्ट बिफोर वाले नंबर में. तो इसके जस्ट बिफोर नंबर 5 है और ये 7 5 से मोर देन है, मीन इसमें एक ऐड कर देंगे तो ये मिलेगा 60. यहाँ पे 4 है, ये लेस देन 5 है. सो हियर वी जस्ट राइट 8 रिमेन सेम. जस्ट बिफोर वाला जो नंबर है वो रिमेन सेम रहेगा एंड ये नंबर 0 हो जाएगा, ये वाला ये 80 आएगा. सो हियर नाउ वी सॉल्व इट्स क्वेश्चन सी. वी सी हियर इट्स यूनिट डिजिट है 5. सो we add one more is just before number, so 3 plus 1 4 and this may be 0. Now we take the its question second, round off to the nearest 100. So we focus just hundreds before number, mean that tens digits. Here tens digit is 2, here tens digit is 3 and here tens digit is 9. So here is 2, so we just write here 600 because this is less than, so this is remain same. This is 3, this is also remain same because this number is 3 is less than 5, so remain same means just before number is same and all become 0, all digits become 0. So here the number is 10th position is 9, this is more than 5, so we add just before means 2100. Now take its last part, round up to the nearest 1000. So nearest thousands means we focused on its hundreds positions, mean that hundreds digits 7 4 5. So here this one is 7 is more than 5, so this one add here 4000, this one is 6000 and this one is, this is also 5, so we add just 10,000. So this is all, these all questions you solve today. So I hope in this class you understand lots of questions. So dear students, we meet soon.